Recording your screen on Android is super easy and built right into most devices. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the screen recorder icon. It usually looks like a camcorder or a circle inside a square. If you don't see it right away, swipe left to find more icons or tap the pencil icon to edit and add it to your panel. Once you tap Screen Recorder, a countdown will start and your screen recording will begin. You can also choose to record audio from your microphone or device sounds, depending on your preference. To stop recording, simply swipe down and tap the stop button in the notification bar. Your recorded video will save automatically to your gallery or photos app. If your phone doesn't have a built-in screen recorder, you can download trusted apps like AZay Screen Recorder from the Google Play Store for similar features. That's it. Now you can easily capture your screen for tutorials, gameplay, or sharing moments.